Hi, I'm Tiffany Tift reporting for America's Premier Experts, and today we are in Orlando at the Hard Rock Hotel for a very special event. We are honoring America's top 20 experts, and today we have with us two orthodontic experts. We actually have married couple Dr. Paul Cater and Dr. Donna Galante. Welcome to you both. We've been talking a little bit. You guys are based in California, and we were just saying that you guys are very modern, cutting-edge orthodontists. Talk to me about that a little bit.
Well, there's been so many wonderful changes and innovations in orthodontics, especially in the past 10 years. And my husband and I together, offer a lot of these technologies to our patients. For example, patients today come in and they really don't want braces on their teeth, but they want their teeth straight. They want a fantastic smile. So we offer a solution. One is to have braces put behind the teeth that you can't see. And those are called eye braces. And then we also offer Invisalign, which are clear removable aligners that align your teeth beautifully. And we have been offering those both technologies in our office. So we're very cutting edge, and we stay right on top of current trends in orthodontics.
And Dr. Paul, we were talking that you guys have an office just dedicated to Invisalign, right?
Well, actually, that is true. It's a separate business that we're combining together this best of the spa world with the best of the orthodontic world, and that business is called the Inspired Body and Smile. And we are combining things that women might like with spa, such as body wraps, detoxification wraps, and also wraps where they lose some weight. Restylane, Botox, they can get their teeth whitened, and they can get Invisalign too. So it's kind of a one-stop shop for women in the beauty and wellness department.
Well, it sounds very progressive, but at the same time, it also sounds very comfortable, because a lot of times people aren't very comfortable going to an orthodontist or a dentist.
Exactly. That's kind of why we started the other business called the Inspired Body and Smile, was for that purpose in general.
Right.
Exactly.
So what we find is that there's a lot of one of the biggest areas in orthodontics that's grown today is the adult population, and there's a lot of adults that want straight teeth, or adults who had braces as a teenager and didn't wear their retainers, and their teeth have moved. And
sounds familiar.
And they feel somewhat intimidated going into an orthodontic office where there's a lot of kids maybe there, and they're not real comfortable with that. So the idea is that this would be catering to that population. You'd walk in and you'd feel like you walked into a spa, and it'd be very comfortable, very, very hip, very trendy, very upscale. And at the same time, you're there maybe getting your teeth aligned and maybe whitened. You could also get a facial. You might be able to get some laser therapy. You can have some nutritional counseling. It'll be a whole wellness for men and women, and we'll let kids in and teenagers if they like.
We were talking about that before, that your clientele spans a large range. Can you talk to me about that?
All the way from 6 to 96, really, and everything in between. So we have we're probably about 30% adult population in our current office.
Let me say this, because I really think that a person's smile can change their lives.
Well, funny you should say that, because we are actually doing a book called Share a Smile, Change a Life. And we're doing that book in conjunction with our patients, because we have seen over the years how we have changed people's lives, and not intentionally. It's just that they were afraid to smile before, and now they're not. And why is that? Is because now they have a pretty smile where, in fact, maybe before they didn't.
Okay, so we've been talking about the clientele and everything like that. Is a person their teeth ever too far that you guys can't help?
Edentulous, without teeth. We can pretty much
I'll give you an example. I had a patient, 87-year-old patient. This was a couple years ago. It was referred to me by her family dentist. She had lost a tooth on the lower, and it was when she smiled, you could see a gap, and she did not like this gap. And she was a beautiful woman, very, very active, 87-year-old woman. And we put braces on her teeth for 6 months to close the space. And she came in saying to me, "I can't believe I'm here, because I figured I was too old to have my teeth move." And there's never, like my husband said, unless they have no teeth, we can always move your teeth. And
we don't work on cadavers either, so that would be too old. There's also a component where dentistry and orthodontics actually help people live longer too.
Yeah, I've read
So
about
yeah,
that.
there's a lot of correlation between heart disease and dental health. So that's very important.
Okay, so if our viewers want to learn more about you guys in the business and they want your services, where do they go?
Well, they can check us out on the web at www.cgbraces.com.
Easy enough, right? All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Paul
Thank
and
you.
Dr. Donna. Thanks for being with us. I know that you guys have so much to do, but we appreciate your time.
Thank you
All right.
very
Thanks
much.
so much. And I'm Tiffany Tift reporting for America's Premier Experts.